Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic chatbot powered by Llama. So here you can see that this is the chat with Llama tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore this AI chatbot because it is having unique databases like that is ChatGPT, Googlebot and Perplexity. So it is also having its own databases. Let us explore that databases which by giving some research prompts, and we will generate some research paper writing content using this AI chatbot. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and application. In this workshop, we are going to design LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with the proper PID controller tuning, and then we are going to connect it with PV and wind as its input sources, and then we are going to connect it with an EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content using ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So this is the AI chatbot we are going to explore today. So first I am going to generate a normal content. Explain about machine learning algorithms. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how this Llama 3 will generate answer for us. So here you can see that, so it is generating the content. Yes, different types of machine learning algorithms are generating. So supervised learning method, unsupervised learning method, supervised learning algorithms, next unsupervised learning algorithms, so reinforcement learning algorithms, so like the deep learning algorithms. So these are the different algorithms generated using this AI tool. So next I am going to give an input prompt, generate an abstract for the research paper titled implementation of MPPT algorithm in solar PV system during partial shading condition in about 250 words. So this is the input prompt we have given. So let us see how this content will be generated. Yes, here you can see that the content is generating. So abstract partial shading is a common phenomena in solar PV systems that can significantly reduce their energy output. Maximum power point algorithms are employed to optimize the power extraction from PV panels, but their performance is compromised using partial shading condition. This paper presents the implementation of efficient MPPT algorithm. So like that a better abstract is generated. So I am going to use the same prompt again. So instead of abstract I am going to give introduction. So give introduction. So after that, so don't mention any number of words. So let us see how this AI chatbot will generate answer for us. I am not given any number of words. So here you can see that the introduction for that particular topic is generated. So a better introduction is generated using this Llama 3. So here you can see. So and a brief introduction also will be generated. So here you can see the increasing global concern about climate change and energy security has led to significant rise in the adoption of renewable energy sources, particularly solar photovoltaic system. Solar PV system have emerged as a promising solution to reduce greenhouse gas emission and meet the growing energy demand. So like that, it is generated a perfect introduction for that research paper. So in order to generate a common content, so don't use ChatGPT itself, so you can use this kind of AI chatbot because it is having its unique databases. I have told explore with different chatbots having different databases. Don't explore the same chatbot having GPT-4 as its GPT as its databases, that is OpenAI as its databases. So other than this, there are many databases are available, like that is Copilot, and also you can use Googlebot. So like that, different options are available to analyze that research prompts in that particular AI chatbots. So you can use that option also. So next important thing is that, so give references for the, I am going to give 10 references for the research paper title grid connected PV system. So like that, you can give an input prompt. So here let us see whether that references, yes, it is generating references, that is reference paper, 10 different reference paper related to the topic we have given. So yes, all 10 will be generated. So after generated, we will check it out, check that papers whether it's correct or not. So first I am going to copy this one, that is review on single phase grid connected inverter photovoltaic modules. So copy that one. So you can use Google Scholar, so thereby you can get a better idea in this. Paste the content. So yes, it is generating a valid references only. You can see the author name is 𝐸_G_K Pedersen. So like that, it is generating, and it's also cited by 5029 members. So it's a big citation one. Yes, it is generating correct but perfect, that is authors, and it is valid only. So as like in this kind of chatbot, so all the references generated will not be true. So always be keen that, so you have to check the references which is generated by any of the chatbot. In this case, it is showing it is correct. So but many times it may fail to generate a perfect references, that is true references for your research paper. So always please check that once also. So next I am going to generate an outline. So here I am going to give generate an outline for the thesis titled grid connected PV system. So like that, you can give. So let us see. Yes, our outline is started to generating. So here you can see that, so introduction, literature review, system design and modeling, control strategy development, simulation results and analysis, experimental implementation and testing. So like that, the outline, a perfect outline for the thesis is generated. So you can make use of this chatbot to generate a better answer for your research paper writing. So go on and explore this chatbot with your own research prompts, and then make a better research content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So rather than going for blindly ChatGPT, so you can use this kind of models to generate a unique content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.